Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have iPhone 13 with a cracked screen. We need to replace the screen for it. And before replacing the screen, what we're gonna do is we're gonna just switch off the phone and take out the two screws from the bottom, and after that we'll give a little heat to the screen so that the adhesive tape which is under the screen for waterproofing should be loosened, and that makes easy for us to remove the screen. Here I have used the same tool we use for removing the back glass of the different iPhones. It just makes the holding of the phone a bit better. And once the screen is heated, I have just used a shaving blade. You can use any tool thinner to the same size of a shaving blade. So we just need to make a gap into the screen so that we can insert a card, and we can swipe the card on all the three sides. Why I say three sides is because the last step is to take it out from the top bit, and once we have took it out from all the three sides, we'll just hold the screen from both the sides, the left and the right. We're gonna tilt it on both the sides one by one, left and right, and then we're gonna swipe the cards again on the top bit. And once the screen has been came out from all the sides, we should be very careful for the Face ID flex, because sometimes when people take out the screen, they just damage the screen and the Face ID itself. So we should be very careful for the Face ID flex once the screen is opened. So here we go, our screen is totally open, and now what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove the battery connector first. And once the battery connector is removed, we're gonna remove the shield on top of the Face ID flex, and then disconnect the Face ID flex and disconnect the display flexes. And after that we'll test our new display and let's see if it works or not. And once the testing is finished, we're gonna remove the Face ID from the old display. And to remove the Face ID, I'll show you what steps we need to look for. So here come the steps for removing the Face ID flex. And to remove that, I'll use isopropyl alcohol and a bit of heat. That's why I put the screen on a heat pad. Once I remove the screws, I'm gonna put the isopropyl alcohol. Use the same plastic tool we use for removing the flexes, and or we can use any plastic card, but just try avoiding any metal or steel tool like tweezer or blade. That's it's just gonna increase the risk of damaging the flex. And once we have removed the flex, we'll just give a heat on the mic and the Face ID by the heat gun, so that we can just take it out easily. And once that's done, we will put the Face ID on a news display, and we can install a news display on the phone, and then our phone will be totally ready. So this is our new display. We'll put it on and check if it works. If it works, then we'll go for the further steps. So there we go, our phone is all ready, and here comes the before and after screen. And thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, just hit the like button, subscribe the channel, share it with your friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye.